We recently remodeled our bathrooms and we decided to upgrade to smart toilets. And all my family enjoys this purchase. It is really great item to have. We did hire a plumber to install it. It was relatively easy and quick. You will need an outlet next to the toilet. It was very affordable to install it, and the plumber told me that this exact toilet is easy to install and he didn't really need any additional parts. There are so many added options that you didn't know you need, like heated seat, automatic flush. It literally does everything for you. When you enter the bathroom, it opens the lid, and when you leave, it closes and flushes, so you don't really need to do anything yourself. There are different cleaning modes. You can use this controller that you can place on the wall or on the side of the vanity, or just keep somewhere nearby. There are different cleaning modes. The feminine option is essential. There is a dryer, and everything can be controlled: the water pressure, the water temperature, the dryer temperature, the seat temperature. You can also control the direction of the water nozzle. So absolutely amazing, and I definitely recommend getting this smart toilet.